Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to share my kit plans for March 2025. Hard to believe we're already getting ready to plan for March, but we are to this point. So March has 4 weeks that are predominantly in the month, which means I have 4 kits that I'm going to be sharing today. So we're going to start out with the first kit, which is March 3rd through the 9th. So this week is Mardi Gras for those of you who celebrate. So I wanted a fun and colorful kind of kit to use for this week. I didn't have something that was exactly Mardi Gras themed, but I thought that this kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Cheesecake would be appropriate because look at how bright and colorful. So this is a deluxe kit. This is on matte vinyl, and these are like a photo kit. So this one is 9 full boxes with cheesecake. And then we have the bottom washi. We have very like pastel-y, springy colors as the colors, which is kind of fun to mix in there. And then we have a full boxes that are glitter. We have full boxes that are not glitter. We have some functional stuff. We have 4 more boxes plus a bunch of deco. We have more functional stuff, and then we have 4 yet more boxes and some glitter headers. So I think this is enough for sure to get through 2 weeks, but I will choose the ones that are most Mardi Gras vibes to use for this particular March setup. The next week is March 10th through the 16th. And so for this week, I wanted to use this random stack of leftovers. So this is from the Chasing Shells Advent Calendar, I believe for 2019. I've used this kit twice before already, but I'm gonna try to finish it off this time. So I have just a couple of things left. The main kit is called Cottage from Chasing Shells, and it is a vinyl setup here. So I have a couple boxes and some more functional things, a little more here. And then I have 2 double boxes, and I have a set of glitter boxes and a few more functional things and a bit more deco. There might still be a few silver butterflies also in my stash somewhere. We're gonna have to see. I might pull them out, I'm not totally sure. And then these are kind of like the add-ons that were also part of the Advent Calendar. So first off is this sheet, a couple of sheets from Sticker Monster Co. So I've already used it. This was basically like a mini kit, but I've already used parts of it because again, I've already used this kit twice. So I have some boxes and functional things, a little bit of deco, 1 set of headers, and a few check boxes. And then I have these little post-it notes from the Fruity Sticker Co. 2 full boxes and a few other miscellaneous things from The Beautiful Mess. 1 full box and some other miscellaneous things from Purple Bunny Prints. A bunch of functional icon kinds of things from Bodacious Prints, and then 2 full boxes, a set of glitter headers, and some functional stuff from Kimmy's Studio. So my plan is to just figure out how to make all of this go together because all the colors coordinate, and to use this kit one last time as a kit. I think it'll be fun to do and try this challenge basically. All right, the 3rd week of March is March 17th through the 23rd. And this week I'm spending part of the week in Norway. And well, assuming nothing goes wrong with travel, I guess we can't say anything for sure in this current political state. But the goal is to be in Norway that week. So I'm using another kit from B&R Paper Crafts. This is called Bliss Garden. And I love the like winter vibes. I think it's perfect with like the little snow bunny and all of this like cozy vibes and the colors. I thought it would be perfect. This is another deluxe kit on matte vinyl. So this is full boxes. This is the bottom washi and date covers in all these like very cool, chill colors. Full box or bunch of boxes with glitter, a functional page, full box checklists, 4 more full boxes and some functional things, glitter headers and little things and stuff like that. And then these are pages of washi strips, other headers and stuff. So 2 different deluxe kit formats from B&R Paper Crafts, but I'm excited to use both of them. And then the last week, if that's mostly in March, is March 24th through the 30th. And this week is actually my birthday week. So I wanted to use a kit that had some foiling just because I thought that would be fun for the week. And I wanted to use this kit that has been sitting in my stash for so long. This has not been available for a very long time, but this is a Wonton in a Million by Craftsmith sticker kit that came from Michael's like 3+ years ago. But I'm excited to use it. These kits are always a bit of a challenge because they are not set up the way that I tend to use kits, but they're always fun to use. So for this particular one, we have gold foiling and we have a bunch of functional things here. We have this page that has some like washi down here, and then a couple of full boxes and things like that. I think it's gonna be a really fun kit to use. It's besties themed, which I think will be great. So I have this one, which has like travel and boba and selfies. And then this bottom washi strip that has little Polaroid kinds of things. And then some little icon guys. And then a couple more full boxes and functional stuff. We have another washi strip, date covers, and more functionals. Here we have more full boxes and checklists and all that kind of stuff. This is a checklist strip that goes all the way down but could be easily cut where each of the colors change. This one has another full box and a bunch of like half boxes with fun things to do with your bestie. And then that's the end of this kit. So I think it should be really fun to use. I actually bought this with plans for a girls trip, but then pandemic kind of messed that up. So maybe it's even older than 3 years. Maybe I bought it pre-pandemic. I'm not really sure. Anyway, I've had it for quite a while, but I'm excited to use it. So this is the 4 kits / collection of kit pieces that I'm going to be using for March. I'm very excited for all of them. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which kit you're most excited to see me use, or which kit you're most excited to use yourself in your own planner. If you don't want to leave any of those things, leave me some sort of berry emoji to go with the cheesecakes. And then also follow me on Instagram and Blue Sky at Creative Life of Liz. I show in progress and finished spreads. I try to tag all the shops when I can, as well as bits and pieces in my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.